Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can generate an ad script using the AI feature on CapCut browser. So go to the home page and select ad script here, and then here is what you are going to do. Tell us the product and the brand. For instance, it's a smoothie company. I don't know. Smoothie, and the brand is called Moo. Wait, smoothies are okay. I don't know, very good. Describe the selling points of your products. Tastes. Oh wait, healthy. Tastes amazing. Cheap, I guess. Affordable. Double. I think that's all I'm gonna put, but you can put more, of course. And then you're just going to select generate. I don't know anything about smoothies. This is just an example, but you're basically going to talk about your product. Here it is. There's 5 scripts that they give, and it says for instance, from the description you gave, it will make you a script I love this smoothie. It has all the goodness of vegetables and fruits in one delicious meal. The smoothie is so affordable, and it's such a breeze to make. Buy it now, only $6.99. Link in my bio. And you're just going to use the script that you want. For instance, this one. I think you can also edit it. I'm not sure. I feel like you can because the price is different. And then here is where you can upload the video for the ad, but I'm not going to do that because I don't have any right now, but we're just going to do that, and you can even edit the video and stuff like that. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!